Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, you can see this 90% fail in this question. So why you failed? Most people fail in this question because not applying the right way to solve this question. If you are new, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video and watch this complete video because increase your concept and get the right way to solve this type of question. Okay, so first of all we first simplify the numerator. Okay, so 3 power 2 is 9. 3 power 2 is 9. Sorry, here we use the white pen. 3 power 2 is 9, multiply 9 over 3. Okay, and now divided by 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now we simplify 9 multiply 9 is 81 divided by 3 and divided by 3. And now we can write here, or we simplify 81 divided by 3, or we same as write 81 divided by 3 multiply 3. This is the same. Okay, so 81 divided by 3 multiply 3 is 9. When we solve 81 divided by 9, so answer we will get the 9. 9 answer is right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.